Welcome in, welcome in. Today we are looking at HMX Crisp. Boy, are these clacky. You guys are gonna love this switch. Let's find out what crisp means. Like, what exactly does it mean, especially for a switch? What is crisp? Crisp sound refers to a type of sound that is remarkably clear, sharp, and distinct. These sounds are easy to discern and often have a pleasing quality. They are the opposite of muffled or distorted sounds. Examples of crisp sounds include the snapping of fingers, the rustling of leaves, or the ringing of a bell. These sounds are defined by their clarity and purity. In this case, these are hella crisp. I'm going to run a full short cycle with mods on this Core 60, and then I'm going to run a back-to-back on 3 plates, CF, Alu, and PP. You guys be the judge, but honestly, these are a buy. Just grab the switch. Here come the sound tests. These guys right here, HMX Crisp, some of the clackiest HMX have come across my desk in a long time. If you like the Lunar Stones, you're going to like these. They remind me of B1s. B1s are also, the key B1s are in loud and clackiness, but pleasant because they're HMX. I don't find them thin at all. I've run these bad boys on 3 different plates already on this Core 60. These are a buy. Face reveal for y'all out there. Nice. These are a buy. HMX Crisp. Grab them at Unikeys. Code ShilohCutis. 7% off. Honestly, really good. I'm going to be running these on the Core Plus shortly. The reason I didn't do it right away is my Core Plus right now is built with MX Brown's. Really, really good build with GMK. And I'm going to be taking those to the Canadian mechanical keyboard meet this weekend for the fall session. 250 people are expected. If you're local and you're going, be sure to find me. You can try it out, these HMX Crisp on this Core 60. It'll be at the show. All right, peace out. I'll see you guys again.